All right, I'm going to show you a quick video here on Nylog Blue and the different opinions that you've seen around YouTube. And the one main question or concern that I see a lot of people saying, oh, don't put it on the threads. Don't put it on the threads. Well, the name tells you right there, gasket and thread sealant. So should you apply it on the thread? Yes or no? You've seen people that will tell you on YouTube, don't put it on the threads, just put it only where the flare end is going to meet. And here's what you want to look at. You always go by what the manufacturer is telling you. Don't go by what I'm telling you. Don't go by what someone else is telling you on YouTube. Here's the deal. You have it right on the actual bottle, the Nylog Blue gasket and thread sealant. I just got this. I'm going to put a link in the description, and you can get it too when you're doing your DIY HVAC mini split install. It's telling you right there, threads. Wind fluid around threads like liquid string. So right there it's telling you it's okay. Use it on the threads. How about the gaskets? Of course, apply to both sides of the gasket. Now, I'm getting ready to do this in just a little bit. I have a video that I've done where I've shown you how I did it. And one thing I've learned through the years, it's always best when you're doing stuff like this just to wear latex gloves. I'm going to wear it on both hands. I already have it on one of my hands already. I'm getting ready to put it on this hand too. But as soon as you take these things out that come in from the factory, just feel free to go right ahead, get your refrigerant line in there, put it on both ends. It's okay to put it on the threads. The manufacturer is telling you, okay, wind fluid around the threads like liquid string. So always go by what the manufacturer is telling you. Don't go by what you're seeing on YouTube or whatever. This is going to be your best bet. Just remember, it all else fails. Read the directions on how to do it and where to put it. So feel free, folks, get your Nylog Blue gasket and thread sealant. Like I said, I have posted a link in the description of this video where you could just click on it and get it, and you're also going to see a little bit of a discount applied there for you. So go ahead and feel free and get it, but always put it like it says by the manufacturer on the threads and on the gaskets, and you should be fine. And just remember, make sure your hands are not dirty. That's why I prefer to just wear latex gloves and get the job done correctly. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.